Hi there and welcome. In this course, we'll discuss how to utilize one of the largest and fastest growing digital marketing channels, social media. Over 3.5 billion people use social media worldwide, and people spend on average over 2 hours on social media per day. With so many people using social media every day, digital marketers have a great opportunity to attract and engage potential customers. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Cindy and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a product marketing manager at Google and I'm responsible for bringing new innovation to market by championing our customer needs and sharing the magic of Google's products. In my work as a product marketing manager, I use social media marketing to share insights and solutions to help my customers connect with their users and grow their business. Previously, you learned the basics of digital marketing and how to optimize SEO, SEM, and display advertising to attract and engage customers online. This course will discuss how to use social media marketing to promote your business, product, or service. First, we'll explore 5 key pillars of social media marketing: how to use earned, owned, and paid media in your social media campaign, how social media marketing fits into the marketing funnel. Then we'll discuss how to create strategy for your social media marketing campaign, including defining your campaign goals and determining your target audience. You'll also learn how to plan and publish content at the right time and with the right frequency. And you'll discover social media management tools to help you accomplish this. Next, we'll explore how to listen to and engage your social media audience. And we'll discuss how to write, repurpose, and design content to build relationship with customers. After that, we'll discuss how to measure the success of your social media campaigns through analytics. You'll identify important social media metrics to track and learn how to create and present compelling reports on your data. Finally, you'll learn how to run a paid social media campaign. We'll explore how to remarket to your audience and how to set an advertising budget for social media. I'm excited to lead you through this next part of your digital marketing journey.